Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Enthusiast era. In this video, I'll show you how to install Docker and Docker Compose from scratch on a Linux server and get the Docker service up and running in no time. So let's get started. We need to add Docker's official repository so we can install the latest version easily. So for that, let's log in to the first app server. Let's read the task first. The Nautilus DevOps team aims to containerize various applications following a recent meeting with the application development team. They intend to conduct testing with the following steps. Install Docker CLI, Docker Compose packages on app server 1. Initiate the Docker service. Okay, so app server 1, let's log in. SSH Tony @ yes, copy the password. Okay, now we have logged into app 1. So sudo yum install -y yum utils. Copy the password. In the meantime, let's check how to download Docker repo. CentOS. So we have to use this command. Okay, yum utils. It's installed. The next step is sudo yum config manager -add -repo. So the URL is https://download.docker.com. Hence this is Linux machine and it is CentOS version and docker-ce.repo. So which OS release we have checked. So if you see that repo got downloaded here. So sudo yum config manager -add -repo and the URL. So what we are doing is we need to add Docker's official repositories so we can install the latest version easily. Repo got added. Now let's install Docker Community Edition. Sudo yum install -y Docker CLI init and then Docker Compose. So we are trying to install what are the necessary packages. Docker CE, Docker CE CLI, then containerd.io. So this will pull all the necessary packages. It is still processing through. It will take maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, it's done. We are good. So once these are installed, we need to start Docker and make sure it runs on the boot. For that, sudo systemctl start Docker. Now enable Docker. If you want to check the status, it is active and running. Nice. Docker is now running. Let's confirm Docker is working by checking its version and running a quick test container. Docker version sudo docker run hello world. Unable to find the image locally. Let's run again. Error response from daemon failed to create task for the container. Let's restart and try. Sudo systemctl restart Docker. Let's run again. Permission denied. Let's give sudo and try. I think still the same. This might be due to mounting the PROC. Due to some fatal error, I was unable to run that hello world, but it should work fine with your mission. I think some issue with this mission. Now it's time to install Docker Compose, which helps us manage multi-container apps easily. So to install Docker Compose, this is the command we need to use. Sudo curl-l, the GitHub URL of the official Docker Compose releases latest download Docker Compose uname-s and m and in which path we are downloading. Okay, it's done. Now give the permissions. User local bin Docker compose. It's done. Docker compose version. So now Docker compose is also installed. And that's it. You have successfully installed Docker Compose, and started the Docker service. So if this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel for more DevOps tips that will make your life simpler. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.